Hello viewers, today I will show you how to use Google Sheet on your phone. At first you install your software and you will get the Google Sheet and open. You will find the template and new spreadsheet. Template will help you how to make easily invoice, wedding planner, annual budget, monthly budget, workspace. And new spreadsheet you can design by yourself. At first you open your new spreadsheet and write here any name. I just write the test. So select a column and mention your data. Just I mention the number. Column A, column B is the name, column C is the amount, and column D I write the status. After your new spreadsheet you can make by yourself what you want. I just fill up the data 1 to 10. Name I just write for testing and show you how to write the name. Right here just sample name is the David, John, Clive, Hita, I just write the sample amount for example. So now I write here the total. So I'll show you how to make it total. And, sorry guys, here I need to put the number. I just read the letter. So I just make a number and it's the. So you see here how I make the calculation easily. Just make this equal and then sum, first bracket, and the column number. I think column is the C2 and colon is column C5. C11. Sorry guys, my 10 number row number 10 is the C11, so I write here C11 and the last first bracket. So see easily how I calculate. So now I show you how to color your column and row and make it bold. And how I make it small the one column. Just select the column and use your arrow. How you make to you want to make it small or big, and select all of your row and column is the together. Sorry, and then select the border. Your every column is the under of the border. So if you want to change your color, border color, you can choose in here border color. So if you want to use the merge, so just select your row and column and use the merge button, and you see how I add the column and row, add or delete. If you want, you can see here also how to add or delete column and row. Hopefully guys this video will help you. If you help this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching.